primary election is less than a week away, and one local race is heating up. Derek Dieter is running for South Bend City Clerk. He claims his opponent, Karima Fowler, and Mayor Pete Buttigieg violated an Indiana election law. WSBT-22's James Fillmore is at the live desk right now. James, Dieter submitted a complaint with the election board.
Well, Rick, Dieter is alleging that the two broke the law by appearing together in ads and brochures without filing the right paperwork. Buttigieg's campaign and Fowler are firing back. There's an Indiana statute that says it's a misdemeanor to print or distribute a slate of candidates during a primary election, unless those involved notify the election board ahead of time. Derek Dieter says his opponent, Karima Fowler, and mayoral candidate Pete Buttigieg didn't do that.
The integrity of the election's at stake here, and that's something that people need to be aware of.
Mayor Pete and I have a plan for South Bend.
Buttigieg endorsed Fowler. This is a political ad the two appeared in together. Dieter believes it's an example of a slate.
The way I read the statute, it clearly states that you must file with the election board prior to sending information out. So if thousands of literature went out to the public and it went out legally, to me that's an issue.
But in 2014, a federal court in Indianapolis ruled Indiana's slating statute cannot be enforced. The St. Joseph County Clerk, Terry Rethlake, says the issue will be addressed at the next election board meeting on May 12th. Dieter thinks the board should deal with it before the election Tuesday. Fowler didn't want to do an on-camera interview, but she did release this statement. It says, "Over the next few days, I'm focused on getting out the vote. I'm honored to have the endorsement of Mayor Pete and other current and former elected officials, including City Clerk John Vorty and former Governor and Mayor Joe Kernan. This is an endorsement, not a slate." Pete Buttigieg's campaign released this statement in response to Dieter's allegations. "Even if the law still stood, it would not have applied in this case because our support for Karima's campaign did not constitute slating. It's unfortunate that Derek went public in this last-ditch maneuver without taking time to understand the facts." Dieter is also asking the St. Joseph County Election Board to investigate if current South Bend City Clerk John Vorty violated any state laws after appearing on a billboard with Fowler. At the live desk, James Fillmore, WSBT 22 News.
Well, happening now, it's the final hour of Indiana's legislative session. A flurry of bills were voted on today.